Alright, got some good news. It's raining. That's not the good news. Good news is I tested my 5k on Saturday. 44:47, which is a lot better than I thought it was going to be. As I thought I was going to get somewhere around 47.5, 48, but I felt pretty good, felt pretty light. Tested the water out, you know, first K, second K, thought I was going too fast, but everything was good, so kept going. And then dumped all the fuel tanks on the last 1k. Yeah, and came in pretty good. That obviously is a long way off my PB, which is 20:23. I feel like 44, 47 puts me in a good spot for attacking that 20-minute mark, which is the goal. That's the target, the 20-minute mark. Anyway, it's raining, so I'm not down on the track. I'll turn you around. It's been raining for a couple of days, and this pitch gets super waterlogged during the weather. That corner there, that far corner, when we were kids, used to play rugby for the school. There was some kind of broken sewer in the far corner. It was absolute carnage down there. But it was the 80s, nobody cared. Just playing rugby in the sewage. Good times, that's why I've grown up so tall. Alright, so we're going to have a warm up. And then a bit of a session. So the session tonight is 4 600s, 4 600s, 4 300s, 4 500s, 4 200s. Should be fun. Got my sealskin socks on, so everything's gonna be wet except my feet. Ah well. Good times. Alright, let's set Karen off. Get the session going. Come on, Karen. Let's turn her on.
Get ready in 15 seconds.
Little bit of rain. Save having a shower, I guess. Next rep. Oh, feels difficult to get quality done in these conditions, but I don't know, just get it done. It's all in the bank. As long as I'm keeping to my pacing, keeping an eye on what I'm doing, not being a robot on the watch. Good for races, it always rains at races. So, yeah, I'm going to put the camera away now, get the session done. Maybe do a couple of shots on the 200s, and then check in with it at the end. Alrighty, let's do it. It's not doing the intervals, it's the rest periods which are prescribed and important. 2 minutes between reps, 5 minutes between sets. 5 minutes stood under this nonsense. Anyway, people don't understand runners going out in the rain and the snow and the dark, but honestly, look at it, it's glorious. Look at these trees. Listen to the sound they make. Oh, it's just fantastic. 5 minutes of that if you want. Yeah, I'm going to stand under this conker tree, hit my 5 minutes under here. Look at that, it's fantastic, isn't it? Let's get a bit of sunshine through it, a bit of the brightness over the Bloringer. It's It's going to give you a little bit of the rain sound again. Oh yeah, that's great, isn't it? So good. What a nice tree too. Alright, I'm going to do my summing up now. I'm halfway through the workout. It's absolute carnage here. I'm just going to put, as soon as I finish, put the camera on and run home. So, camera away, run home. My lips are going cold. So yeah, good news about Saturday, about the 5k time. Again, it's 44, 47. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm happy with that. I thought it was going to be a lot slower than that. I'm in a good position now to work my way to that 20. So frustrated I never tried for that 20 when I was doing 20-23 on trail. Oh well, good times. So kettlebell training tomorrow, another interval run, aerobic capacity interval run Thursday, and then Saturday is going to be a 4k specific session, and then Sunday long run. Alrighty, I'll film one of them at least, so we'll do some kind of nattering or whatevs. Okay, see you later.